Hi there, this is Jackie from Bloom Property Management, and I'm here to show a lovely property in Cabot Place, Kingston, and come for a little tour with me. I don't know if you can see, I'm just standing at the front door, and in the background there you can see the sea. So gorgeous views from this place. Let's take a look. Right, so we come to a lovely entranceway here. I'll show you the garden. We've got native plants, lancewoods and so on through here, and down there's a lovely bit of lawn. Gets really good sun, especially in the morning. In the entranceway here, we've got a lovely space here that could be a drop zone, coats, whatever, or you could put a desk in there because it's got a PowerPoint for your laptop and lamp. Nice little space. There's also storage behind the door, and we can come and see the living room. Decent sized living room. There's stairs down to 2 bedrooms and some decks. There's a bathroom there, I'll show that in a minute. But check out the views out here. Just absolutely lovely over the Western Hills here. Spectacular views, nice and private. Lovely flowering cherries there. It'll be extra special in spring. And out here, we're in amongst the canopy of the Pūhurakawa tree. Ocean views glimpsed through there. Absolutely private and lovely. Right, so here's the kitchen. Oh, sorry. So we've got a bit of this could potentially be a lounge room with TV over here, or if you've got a bigger screen, it could go over here. And there's space for a dining table. This fridge space looks really narrow, but it's 630 millimeters across, so it should fit most fridges. Now, we're just finishing off the final details, so don't be concerned about a couple of things you may notice. So electric stove, there's a dishwasher here, lovely granite, I think, bench tops, lovely modern glass splashback, plenty of storage, big pantry. It's compact, but it's got everything you need. Right, now the bathroom. The bath is just about to be refinished, but there's hand basin, mirror, there's space for the laundry here, toilet and a shower with a shower dome to keep it nice and dry. It's got a fan, of course, some hooks for your towels. Lovely big heat pump to heat all of this space. Will keep it cool in summer. And this is the little bedroom. So this is a single or study. There is definitely room for a single bed across here. Plenty of PowerPoints. And it is a bit of an odd shape, so it's kind of L-shaped. But behind the door we have a massive bookshelf. And of course, more lovely, lovely views out to the west. Let's take a look downstairs. So as we go downstairs, you can see the sunshine pouring in from the western side of the house. It's about 2:45 in the afternoon, and good sized deck here, safety railing. Very private. You can hear the wind in the trees, but it's nice and still here. Very gentle breeze, lovely cooling. But wait, there's more, because we've got this little deck here, again with a gorgeous view. A lovely little shaded seating area here under the canopy of the Pūhurakawa. Moving up to another deck. Again, plenty of room for a little table or chairs. Enjoy the shade. And there's your clothesline, lawn. This pole here is a good distance from the clothesline. You could hang a hammock from that. And there's stairs up to the entrance of the house over there. Let's go and check out the bedrooms. So we've got 2 bigger bedrooms downstairs. Oh, and there's lovely little solar lights around too. There's the heat pump unit. Right, there's a whole cupboard here with hot water cylinder and storage. Here's the master bedroom. It's compact, but it's definitely big enough for a queen. And there is a sliding wardrobe door there, double wardrobe. And this gets nice views out to that lawn. All the curtains are new, so everything's new. Carpet's new, new paint. Let's scoot around here to the second bedroom. This is a bit smaller. It will fit a double. And it has open wardrobe there, plenty of room thing, and check out the view out that window. So if you want to see this property or properties like it, please get in touch with me, Jackie at Bloom Property Management.